We're here at Move Through in Belfast. My name's Cahair O'Kane. I'm a sports reporter with Irish News and a distinctly average GA club player who just happened to have hurt his lower back and hamstring about 8 weeks ago. Was contacted by Move Through and thought it would be interesting to see the technology that they have. I came here 6 weeks ago and did a range of tests in order to see what the injury was and what we could do about it. They gave me rehab exercises and ideas to follow. I suppose today is testing day number 2. It'll be interesting to see what happens. So let's go inside and have a look.
MoveTrue is a wearable technology to look at real-time movement quality analysis to assess athletes on field and in gym. 6 weeks ago, we identified some areas of strengths and deficiencies for Cahair, and we recommended exercises to be able to do at home and in the gym. Retesting today, we were able to see a substantial difference in overall movement quality, which is improving his performance. From the results, we saw a substantial benefit in his overall movement quality. For his counter movement jumps, there was an average of 3 centimetre increase in jump height. On his range of motion, we saw 20 degrees improvement, which means that he is more mobile. And we were able to see in his tuck jumps a softer landing, which means he's able to absorb the landing through his legs more effectively. This is fantastic for his performance and injury risk reduction.
So as an inter-county player, I benefited loads from using the MoveTrue equipment. I unfortunately tore my hamstring last season and was able to use the equipment in lab to assess my current state of my hamstring range of motion between my left and right legs and identify any asymmetry. And through my rehab process, I used the MoveTrue equipment to track my progress, as well as then bring it back on field to then see how my rehab was affecting my performance on the pitch. And it thankfully got me back to a full, safe return to play.
Through MoveTrue, we're able to get an objective measurement for movement quality. This is completely new to the industry. While before we were going off gut feel, we're now able to say how someone has improved in their strength, mobility, power and agility, whether it's in gym or on field, so that we can really make a performance across the sports industry.
So there we go. That was very interesting. 6 weeks later, showing a big increase in range of movement in the hamstring, and particularly in the right hand side. And I do have to make the point that this is real. This is not an advertising piece. I wanted to see how the technology worked on a very average sort of club player, and what it was that they showed me the first day really lent in to what I had to do for the 6 weeks. Was able to stick to the rehab, and obviously the results are there. They're far from perfect, but there's no doubt about it. There definitely was an improvement, and it was because of the testing and the technology that was here.